This is a 2021 version of Africa Twin. This bike is so freaking easy. So basically tour mode is where you have the maximum power output. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to Lavasa and guess what I am riding? This is a 2021 version of Africa Twin. It's a manual transmission parallel twin cylinder engine 1100cc, and I am going to ride this to Lavasa, and for the next 2 days, which will be somewhere around 500-600 kilometers, I will riding. So I am going to talk about this motorcycle in my perspective, as in how a 390 or a impulse owner feels on a big adventure motorcycle. Good morning. Yeah. Okay, so it's 7:30 and now we just left for Lavasa, and we are going to take a break at Lonavala for a quick breakfast, and then we'll move forward. So there are plenty of things to like about this motorcycle, and the very first thing is that the bike is so nimble. I mean, when you look at this bike, it feels very bulky. It looks very bulky, but when you actually ride it, it's so nimble and so lightweight to control. A bike which weighs this much is so nimble, is quite surprising. The other thing that I like about this motorcycle is this windshield. This windshield is adjustable up to, I think this travels for 2 or 3 inches, which is more than enough. Kandala Ghat again. The last time I was here, I was shooting my 390 Adventure 1 year experience video. Imagine the performance of this bike on the Ghat, where you have so much power, the seat is comfortable, and it is so freaking comfortable than the KTM 390 Adventure. I'm second gear on tour mode. So basically tour mode is where you have the maximum power output and the maximum output from the traction control. So we just had breakfast over here, and now it's showing around 100 kilometer from here to Lavasa, and it will take 2.5 hours. It's 9:30 now, so we should probably reach by 12. Coming to all the points that I like about this bike is all the riding modes. So in total this bike has 6 riding modes. Right now it's in tour mode. Then if you press this star button, it comes to urban mode. Then you have travel mode, then off-road mode where the ABS is turned off and the power is linear. Then you have custom mode. There are total of 10 buttons on the left side It also comes with Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, and this whole screen is a touchscreen module. Another thing I like about this bike is the kind of road presence this bike have. If you pass beside a scooty or any other commuter bike, this bike looks so huge. I mean, look at the size of the tank. The handlebar is here, and the tank is almost as big as handlebar. Okay, so from here I have started my Google Maps because I don't know the way, and the last time I came here was in 2014 or 15, around 32 kilometers from here, and it takes 1 hour from here to reach our villa, and the road is superb. चलो सर, बाय, थैंक यू. Finally, I have ended the fun part of the whole ride to Lavasa, and that is this sweet ghat, which is almost for 25 kilometers from start to end, and the ghats end at the lake of the Lavasa. The last time I came in 2015 or 16, that time the road was really good, but now all the tarmac has came off. This bike is so freaking easy to control on twisties. So this is the entry of Lavasa, and they charge 200 rupees for two-wheeler and 500 rupees for four-wheeler. And from here the main Lavasa Ghat starts, and it's all downhill. So for some reason they are not allowing higher cc motorcycles. I don't know why, but they mentioned that uh, there was some accident happened, and since then they ban all the higher cc motorcycle because people come here to test their bikes. I hope you enjoy the video, and I shall see you in next video. Till then, ride safe, ride hard, explore more places, and I shall see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.